Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to point your domain to a VPS server in a simple and effective way. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, this content will be very helpful for managing your online system more professionally. In this example, I have a VPS server running on the Vultr platform with an IP address like this. We'll use that IP address to configure and point our domain to the server. And on Namecheap, I have a domain called totatkaz.xyz. We're now going to point this domain to our Vultr server. If you're using a different VPS provider or domain registrar, the steps are essentially the same. First, on the Namecheap domain dashboard, click the Manage button to access the detailed settings of your domain. Next, click on the Advanced DNS tab to open the DNS record settings for your domain. Next, click on the Add New Record button to create the first record for your domain. From the list of record types, choose a record. This type of record is used to point your domain to the IP address of your server. In the host field, enter the symbol @. This means you're pointing the root domain to your VPS IP address. Next, in the value field, enter the IP address of your VPS. This is the IP provided by your VPS provider. Finally, in the TTL section, simply choose Automatic so the system can optimize the update interval. Then, click the checkmark button to save the record. And that's it. We finished pointing the domain to the VPS IP address. Now just wait a few minutes to a few hours for the DNS to update. To check if the domain is pointing correctly, let's open the command line by pressing Windows+R, then typing CMD and hitting Enter. In the command line window, try using the ping command to check the connection to your domain. Since you just created the DNS record, the system may not have updated it yet. In that case, the result might show an error like this. But don't worry, we can force the system to refresh the DNS immediately by using the following command. Now, try pinging your domain again. If everything has been updated, you should see your VPS IP address appear in the result. In the same way, you can also create subdomains that point to your VPS. I'll try creating a subdomain by adding a new A record. Just enter the subdomain name in the host field and the VPS IP address in the value field. Finally, click the check icon to save the record you just created. In the same way, you can create as many subdomains as you need. Just repeat the same steps we've done. Now, let's try checking the subdomains we just created by pinging them as well. And that's it. We've completed the steps to point both your domain and subdomains to your VPS in a simple and easy-to-follow way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. See you in the next video.